Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Take a look at our site, mumfordrestoration.com. Let us know what we can restore for you. And again, we get the weirdest things. This is the man cave couch. It's got a pink velvet. His wife says, well, it's kind of unique. But then we get it into the shop to try to figure out what's going on. All the springs have popped down. The webbing has broken off. But look at how loose the frame is. The frame is what we're describing. It's kind of like a fish where it flops. So the front rails are all broken. Every joint is loose. And so we took off the webbing. We allowed the springs to come out. And now we're going to need to take the springs out and the fabric off of the seat. And we're going to have to re-glue every joint in this entire piece. And then put the springs back in. Put the webbing back on. And then put the undercloth. And then reattach the fabric on the top. So watch how this comes together. This thing is in really bad shape. A lot more than we thought once you pull off all the parts underneath to see what's happening. Thanks for watching and look for the second video.